morning, Coober Pedy. Good morning, Ox.
Good morning.
Good morning, honey.
You calling me an ox?
I feel really bad today because he had a very big day yesterday. We're not sure if he's talking to us today.
What do you reckon? Thank you.
I reckon.
Yeah.
It's hard to do up when you got all the clicksy things are all.
Yeah.
Alright, babe. Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to Erldunda, which is in the Northern Territory.
We're going to the Northern Territory.
Northern Territory.
The sunrise is on Holly Place. Awesome place to stay. Highly recommend it. It's not much when you're coming in here. It looks a bit dodge.
It's a wild looking place. It's so nice.
So we had drinks last night. Watched the sunset. Big winch 360. And it's a bit of a bastard to get up to when you're on foot. Anyway.
We found a shortcut.
We did find a shortcut. It's a spaceship. Michael tried to tell me that it wasn't a real spaceship, but he's got no idea.
Opal City.
Alright, let's do it. See you, Coober Pedy.
Atade. Whoa. Poor old ox is going, thank God, Atade. Where are we? Wow, that's seven eagles.
First 100 down. We're doing the Eagle Rock. Oh, is it really been 100 k's?
Yep.
Cool.
Last one.
Oh gosh, that sun is so nice. Come on. It wasn't really cold when we left, but since we got on the road, we button up.
You ready to rock and roll, baby?
Yeah.
Alright. Looks good, doesn't it? Good looking bike.
to Marla. Quick stop at Marla. Taste of chicken wings, hot chocolate coffee. Hey, travel babe.
Good.
Good?
Travelling
Making good
good.
time.
Am I having a good time?
Oh, so we're making good time.
We're making good time. Yeah.
Yeah. So what time is it now? It's about 10 o'clock in the morning?
It's
Past 10?
10:30. 10:30.
Half past 10. Okay. Hey babe, where are we going?
Northern Territory.
I'll see you in the NT. I've been waiting to say that the whole fucking trip. Okay, quick stop at Marla. Fueled up on chicken wings. Oh, really good. Grab some chicken wings if you're over here, guys. Yummy.
What's this guy doing?
Checking his GPS.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories. Now the sun's gone down like a river rushing.
Welcome to the Northern Territory.
This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
Welcome to Colgera. Petrol 95. $2.91 a litre. Colgera. Woohoo! Big Forex up here too.
I got you, don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you
Wally and Die. Hey, Wally and Die.
like a river rushing way up above.
Welcome to Erldunda. Alrighty, just arrived at Erldunda Resort, Desert Oaks Resort. And this is our room for the night, number 11. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, the reception was really lovely. Ooh, nice.
$100 to go, Suze. We could have done it. Could have done it one hit.
All the way.
Yeah, in hindsight.
Yeah, probably. Big day though.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's nice, clean, beautiful.
Where's your camera?
These guys are best friends. Hello. What's happening? I don't have any food. I didn't buy any at the shop. I'm sorry.
Survey science.
Okay, so this is the centre of Australia. This very point.
Centre of gravity.
Michael is arguing this fact. Ex-surveyor in him is saying there is no markers to prove this. Probably going to have to go read that board over there to get the explanation.
The actual centre is out there towards Fink.
Right. After they got some bits of paper and a couple of rulers, drew some lines, measured a couple of things, and then
did some surveying.
Just spun around and then like collapsed on top of it, and then that was the actual point.
Some numpty's gone, hey, this will do, because the road goes here and the other road goes there, so this is the centre.
This would be a good tourist attraction, so we'll just make it right here.
Exactly.
Alright, I'm going to go and figure out what it is. Okay, this is the closest point on the Outback Way to the true centre of Australia. There's actually no official centre of Australia. Several methods have been used to develop this. There you go. You are here. Lambert Gravitational Centre.
Yep.
Medium point, that would be...
Yeah. Johnson Geodetic Station.
Uluru.
Oh, so we've
Centre
actually
of
gone
gravity
past,
method, furthest point from the sea.
I wanted to have a look at that one, so that was the original one.
Right, so this would be the Fink one out here.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. Gravitational centre.
Right.
Right.
Anyway, we're very, very close to the centre of Australia. Okay, so just having dinner, pre-state of origin at the
Erldunda
Hotel. Vegas mash, yum, and Michael has the Outback stack. Happy days. Good morning, Erldunda. Good morning, Ox. Look at this light in the Northern Territory. Today, we're going to see a big thing. Cookie score?
2.5, pretty good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos helping our early retirement plans be enacted.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Today, that's where we're going to find the biggest of biggest things in Australia, Uluru.
Big things, we like big things. Erldunda. Ayers Rock Resort, Yulara, Uluru, Ayers Rock, Karajuta, The Olgas, Watara, Kings Canyon. Open. Heated hand grips up to 70%. The Ox warm up. It's a balmy 8 degrees, baby.
Dirt's definitely a different colour out here. Super ochre. Stunning colour.
Seen better days. Not many people staying there anymore. Or there. Not only abandoned, and they smash the absolute crapper out of it. Big rest stop. Big red stop. 24-hour camping allowed. Nice.
How many k's to go?
140.
140 to the rock?
No, 150, I think, yeah. Or 160. Yeah, something like that.
Cool. So far, so good. You good? All right, running mount. I was going to do a running mount. You know, like a half pike, 3 triple twist onto the bike. Really nice spot. Free camp. You know you're in a high tourist area when you get signs like this.
Turn off to Kings Canyon.
I've just found this another overnight camp spot. Michael's just going to put the drone up because we actually can't fly the drone near Uluru or Uluru. And from here you can actually see what they know as the fake Uluru, which is pretty bloody impressive.
Yep, let's rock and roll. 20 degrees, getting warm. Little spot to launch the drone. Not get in trouble. The sides of it are so steep too, aren't they? Sticking out.
Mount Connor. Some cute little finches. Get my little drink. Yep. Weird things in the Outback.